The weekend.
The weekends!
The weekends.
Weekends!
The weekends. Yes.
So yun, more on like celebration lang. Yung parang coping lang talaga. Parang reward to myself na okay, na-achieve ko tong goal na to sa araw na to or sa day na to. Ganon.
Good job.
Yes, tama.
Pagka na-overwhelm ka talaga, no? Like, lumalabas parati yung energy mo. Parang, why don't we just sit back and relax and have some peaceful time with ourselves, no? But like, the thing is with healthy coping mechanisms kasi, sometimes yung mga things na you think na that are really healthy even though in reality it's actually really bad. But like somehow it's concerning kasi that you would go and dive yourself into that very very explicit kind of like media, like isipin nyo, no, like in a very early age you would like discover that kind of media like without internet supervision. It's like crazy then for children who will be too exposed for that. And then like somehow I really want to bring it up kasi how does these adult contents became like a center of coping mechanisms sa whole? Kasi what do you get from it somehow? Okay, so welcome back guys to our final recording, and this is the podcast The Weekend.
The weekends! The weekends!
So this is really interesting, no, guys, no, being here in its final episode of The Weekends, guys. How do we feel about this final episode? The final path of our journey, no? How do we feel about it?
It's the weekend.
It's still a really great weekend, no? Na this somehow it'll be done. It's really amazing now. We have tackled a lot of things. No, this is really interesting kasi how like this last and final episode is actually all about improving oneself. Like
Yeah.
from the first episode natin of anxiety till the last part of healthy coping mechanisms, we are here to talk about how do we improve ourselves,
Yes.
no? Okay. It's interesting how all of these episodes from earlier comes down to one final episode to really look back about how we see that all of these hardships and mga problems and yung mga inner problems na din natin that we face as individuals. It's really amazing. And somehow I think this is the time that we could literally talk about on how we can improve, as not only how we can also face anxiety and have better relationships with people, and also how to prevent ourselves from self-harm. And lastly, and on how to have really healthy coping mechanisms.
Yeah, how to improve ourselves. Okay? After talking about those topics from the last weeks na pinodcast natin.
Yeah.
How do we say we improve ourselves? Do you say na after talking about things like we talk about last week, like
Yes.
nagkaroon ba tayo ng realizations for ourselves? Did we learn something? At ano kaya ang naging epekto nito para sa atin? Did we improve?
Yes.
Para sa inyo, ano yung na-realize nyo para mag-improve kayo? Yeah.
Sige, girl. Isip mo yan.
Ay, ako ba?
Hindi, charot. Sige, ako,
Sige,
unahin ko
go.
na. Sige. I think, actually, based on how much we talk, no, even though na we have a lot of different guests for the weekends, it's interesting na in the very end of this journey and this topic na discussions, you don't have to be afraid of people seeing you having these kinds of struggles, having really na nagsa-struggle around sa relationships, and it's also really not bad to reach out talaga.
Oo.
And sinabi ko na 'to talaga ng mga past na podcast na it's never really, really bad, and don't be afraid to reach out.
Yes.
Kasi reaching out actually somehow paves a really big
Yes.
change towards relationships and to yourself.
In terms of anxiety, no, na-realize ko na, okay, anxiety for me, at least, hindi yun permanente eh. At least, it's a temporary feeling for me, and I'm sure it will pass soon, but I can just let it sit by na ganito yung ma-feel ko. Kasi tulad nga ng sabi niya, I can reach out to other people.
Yes.
Like, wala naman tayong dapat kailangan ikatakot,
Yes.
no? Para lumapit sa ibang tao. And that's why we're talking
Hindi
about
naman yan.
this. Yeah, that's why we're talking about this, no? Because we're trying to be open, not for just for ourselves, para mailabasan niyo yung mga hinanakit natin sa damdamin, para makarelate tayo sa ibang tao, which is why we're sharing it right now.
Yes.
Paano pa ba yung sa relationship as well, diba? I believe, nung napag-usapan natin,
I believe
Miss Universe!
I believe in our relationship right now. Naalala ko, yung sa pinakauna nating podcast,
Yeah.
medyo tahimik pa tayo, no?
Oo,
Kasi napansin ko lang when nanonood ako ng videos nyo.
Oo, yes. It's kasi
Siyempre.
nanonood ka ng videos niya, very
It's
good
in our
supporter.
Mm-mm.
Siyempre, ano ba naman kaibigan ako kung hindi ako manonood ng videos ng kaibigan ko? Hindi,
Nice.
napansin ko kasi sa like first videos nyo is like, parang ang heavy. So, understandable bakit kayo like
Oo.
tahimik, which is
Yes.
makes sense. Kasi alam maging lively kayo tapos topic nyo anxiety.
Pasensya na
Pwede
ako.
din naman yung sa Pixar, ikaw yung anxiety sa
Oo, yung
Basta yun.
sa,
Yeah,
dito,
sa-
Inside Out.
Yeah,
Oh my God.
that guy.
Sige lang.
Sige, anong naalala mo?
Kasi yung anxiety natin, like, from behind the scenes, to be honest, okay.
Oo.
Okay, drop. Like, anxiety naman, like, nung unang podcast natin,
Naki-oo ako, pero hindi naman ako kasama.
Nanonood siya.
nanonood siya, pero eto, just to let you know, as well, since you're already part of us, you know,
Yes. Families.
Family is love!
kasi ganito, actually, to be honest, nung ginawa namin tong podcast na to, in the very first, nagkaroon kami ng anxiety kasi hindi namin alam kung baka mamaya pandalas na namin tong gawin, rush na namin to gawin. But
yeah.
we also realized na hindi lang pala kami yung nagawa dito at hindi lang kami yung tao dito. Madami kaming kasama,
Yes,
merong behind the
yes.
scenes at merong sumusuporta para makumpleto itong task na to, no?
Yes, oo.
Hindi lang to para lang sa, kunwari, sa grade, o kaya sa mga activities natin, mga minor subjects na mukhang major, yung pinag-usapan
Diba?
natin.
Ay,
Diba?
grabe,
Ayun.
Episode.
Yeah, yung parang,
Yes.
that may lead us to cause stress, depression. Wait,
Ay,
natatay
grabe.
nga ba natin depression?
I mean, part na siya na.
Oo.
I
yes.
believe so. Ano pa ba? Yun, sa coping mechanism, I guess, mas lalo tayo naging lively, no? Kasi,
Oo.
Kasi parang na-share na natin lahat ng mga like related stuff sa kung paano tayo mag-handle ng stress. Kasi yun, mag-finals na. So, madaming dagsaan ng mga So, yun. Kaya parang understandable na medyo quirky tayo doon.
ice cream yummy.
Kailangan.
Ice cream yummy. Naka-ice cream din tayo nun, di ba?
Oo, ang galing.
Last video. Kasi yun yung brain cell natin, like, books.
Kailangan natin i-treat ourselves kasi hindi lang talaga ito yung end natin, no? After kasi nito, may panibago.
Yeah.
Oo.
May panibago na namang eksena na mangyayari sa
Yes.
panibagong week na to. So, after this week ends, meron naman tayo panibagong pagsubok, hindi ko ba?
Hindi matatapos yan. Pero at least we know na yung mga gagawin, yung ganon. Like, kung paano tayo mag-help sa sarili natin, kung paano tayo mag-reach out sa ibang tao, ganon. Like, hindi na tayo mahihiya na isipin natin, like, we're such a burden. Like, tipong hindi natin kayang, like, lumapit sa ibang tao kasi o-overthink tayo. Like, to the point na nahihiya na tayong lumapit. Pero, iyon nga, yung sinasabi niyo kanina na, like, yan, wag kayong mahiyang lumapit,
Oo,
guys.
pala speaking of parang mahiyang lumapit.
Oo.
Hindi ko ata na-mention 'to nung nakaraang past topics 'no,
Oo.
kasi in terms of that, tas lalo na't may panibagong semester
Mm.
na naman tayo na kailangan
Yes.
i-tackle or parang panibagong pagsubok after
Opo.
ng midterms. Bakit kasi tuloy-tuloy? Ayun nga, sabi ko hindi I think na-realize ko na, okay, madali lang naman sige,
lang,
okay na pala.
continue mo lang
Madali lang palang
Go, go.
mag-reach out to the teachers, you know? Wala naman talagang dapat ikatakot. Like, dati kasi,
Yes, oo.
reflection ko lang, dati kasi, 'di ba sabi ko na burnout ako.
Oo.
Tapos, since online class nun, nahirapan talaga ako mag-reach out. So, ang nangyayari is bumagsak talaga ako. Oh my God, may dark past. Pero bumagsak ako kasi,
Lord.
yeah, bumagsak ako nun. Pero nung nag-face to face na, ayan. Tapos nung na-realize ko na, okay, hindi pala ganito yung naiisip ko sa kanila dahil ganito sila in person. Wala dapat akong dapat ikatakot. Tapos, open sila lahat kapag ka nag-reach out ako. There are people that will actually help you.
Yes.
So, you just have to find that people.
Yes.
Yes.
Huwag kayo nakatingin sa akin. Siyempre, ano din, when it comes to relationships talaga, it's really true, mga
True.
friends, mga people and all over the world na communication is key. Communication is
Sorry.
key,
Ang
okay,
pinapaulo
guys?
ko.
Na pag-uusap, pagko-confront is the key talaga to have a really good and stable relationship. Paano mo maintindihan yung isa't isa, ng each other, kung hindi naman kayo magko-communicate?
Oo nga, alam niyo, yan yung sa mga pinaka biggest or common cliches, mga nakakita ko sa mga, ewan ko, K-drama o kaya mga napapanood ko. Ay,
yung
napapanood
mga
ko.
miscommunication trope.
Miscommunication through, lalo na pagka sa mga manuha na umaabot pa ng napakadaming seasons, para masabi lang na, hindi, actually, mahal pala talaga kita. Actually, hindi, ganun. Ano ba yan? Ang daming roller coasters. Ang daming roller coasters. Not just, dramas sa fictional, but also in real life. Imagine, kung sa in real life na, ayan, may pag-ganyan, ganun. Hindi ko gets, pero na-gets niyo ba?
Oo. Gets namin
Gets
yan.
namin, pero
Okay, miscommunication and
Sige.
communication.
Yeah.
Yes. Ano din it's interesting na how we have different mga coping mechanisms and self-harm. Like, yung mismo self-harming is a way of coping
Yes.
din It's really interesting na a lot of our topics from the previous and the start are really connected towards one another. And I hope, na we can really reach out once again. Reach
Yes.
out, find the right people who can
Oh.
understand and support us naman. And somehow, professional help na din,
Yes.
despite of it.
Yes, actually, advisable talaga. If you have the funds, if you have the money, the budget, please consult the professional. I'm so sorry. Sabi ko sa iyo, huwag kayo iinom pag ako nagsasalita. Kaya hindi ako nagsasalita dito
I'm sorry,
Anyway.
guys. We're living in a real life situation right now. Kaya currency is one of the major problems in life. Ayun, adulthood problems yan, di ba? Yung pera, like, paano tayo makakaipon?
Yes.
Paano natin asikasuhin yung mga kailangan gastusin? Ayan.
It's really interesting. Like, after this, after the summaries and, reflection, what comes next?
What
comes next?
Is there a next?
Yeah, parang yun na reference ko yung na yung seminar na inattend namin ni Riri around just weeks ago lang. Like, what? Instead of what's next, what comes next?
What comes next?
Actually,
Like yung people...
Sige.
Sige,
ikaw muna.
May kukwento kayo.
Sige na, ikaw muna.
No, isasabat ko lang sana na actually what comes next is dependable either if tayo yung may plan ahead
Yes.
or that we don't actually expect what comes next for us. And that's why, tayo nakaka-confuse ko.
Yes.
Ano na ba ang gagawin natin?
Yes.
Meron kasi mga other people na hindi pa nila alam ano yung gusto nilang gawin in the future.
Yes.
Kayo ba? Alam niyo ba yung gagawin niyo in the future after this? What comes next?
Actually, goes goes with the flow lang talaga ako. Yung tipong chill lang. Kasi, hindi. Like, I plan things to the point before. Like, before, I plan things to the point na I'm going to, be crazy. Yung tipong, okay, dapat planan na to, dapat like, hindi like, masusunod ko
Parang siya
tong
yung
plan to.
reference na nakita ko
Ganon.
sa I think TikTok ata or
Ano ba?
Facebook. Yung meron nakalagay yung nanay na sinasabi niya yung bata na, oh, this is your
Actually,
life plan.
Ay, oh my God, wait lang, alam ko
May
yun.
life plan ako dati.
Oh, no.
Kaya, pag hindi siya nasusunod, I will go feral. Like, my mind is going to boom. Pero when I consult to, like, therapies, it's like yun. Kaya kasi sinasabi ko sa'yo, mag-therapy kayo kung meron kayong budget. Anyway, when I go to therapy, it's like, sinasabi sa akin, one lesson is like, do not expect na masusunod lahat ng mga life goals nyo. Expect na lahat yan is mabubuwag.
Oh,
Like,
God.
wag kang mag-expect na your life goals will always continue the way you you're wanted. Pero,
Pero,
yun, yung
Yeah.
sinabi ni Jel,
Sige.
na do not overthink yung mga
Yes.
plano mo sa buhay. Do not expect things. Do not be like me before. Like me before na, be strictly sa, life schedule nyo. Kung
yeah.
ma-break man yan, hindi, maybe it's a blessing in disguise na merong kapalit. Like, this door may shut sa harapan mo, pero there might be another door na mag-o-open na mas maganda pa sa nag-expect,
Ay,
sa ine-expect mo, ganon.
it's like a miracle,
Yes.
no? Like, ganun din kasi ako eh. Nagulat nga ako, sinabi nila, may, tawag doon?
Sorry.
Nasasip ko kasi,
Sige lang.
COD.
COD?
Cash on delivery or for a beauty?
Kaya nga, mali. Mali na
Susi mo ba?
Ano ba tawag doon?
Ano?
Basta parang condition, nagulat.
OCD.
OCD.
OCD? Bakit COD? Ayun.
It makes sense kasi nagpapalit mo
Oo.
letter. Oo.
Sorry, COD. Naalala ko yung Shopee ko. Anyway,
Wait, yung mga person.
Sorry, nakapay na yung parcel ko.
ay, sana.
Oh,
Anyway.
okay. Oh, sige, continue.
Ayun nga pala. Yun nga.
Sige lang, continue.
OCD.
Yes.
Like, na-realize daw sa akin na may perfectionist ako.
Mm-mm.
Like, yeah, I understand the strictness when it comes to the scheduling.
Yes.
Kasi, kunwari, di ba, coping mechanism is time management.
Yes, yes.
Pero pagka parang masyado ka nang nakastick dun sa timetable mo, parang nahihirapan ka na like, paano pag nasira nga yung
Oo.
plano na yun, tapos hindi mo alam ang
Oo.
gagawin mo, di ba? Parang
Oo.
nahihirapan kang maging fluid ang flow ng time mo kasi nga, nababago yun. But then, doon ko na-realize na, okay lang na mag-go with the flow. Kasi nga,
Yes.
I guess, narcissistic feeling ko na rin doon kasi, hindi naman sa atin nare-revolve ang mundo.
Yes.
Meron pang, like, feeling ko parang tayo yung nagre-revolve sa mundo eh, pagtakbo ng mundo eh, like, kung ano yung galaw ko, merong other life na biglang dadiretso maybe mag-intersect.
Yes.
Tapos, manggugulo ng mundo mo. Like, o kaya may papasok. Kunwari,
Yes.
hindi mo ini-expect either bad or good. It's not our plan. It will happen eventually. Malay mo, ikaw, ang relationship, o makamit ka ng someone mo. Ewan ko ba, in a good way or bad way, pero, yeah, wag ka naman sana makamit ng kunwari kidnapper.
Ay, grabe na.
Grabe naman yun.
Nagkamit ka ng kidnapper, wala na.
Sorry
And na, ano mo?
Be, wala na yung be.
Ano ba yan?
Life end.
Oo.
Ano ba yan? Grabe, reflection yan, pero dumadaan pa rin ako sa overthinking.
Yes.
Pero in, naman, positive sense, na thinking about such possible things. It's like a
Yes.
possibility lang naman. Wala namang masamang mag-overthink sa mga masamang
Yes,
bagay
yes.
kasi we were just trying
Yes.
to parang think broadly na para hindi ka masaktan or at least ma-plan mo na ihanda ang sarili sa possible na mangyari. You know?
Oo. Actually, meron ako sa parang sasabihin sa
Okay.
sinabi
Oh,
mo.
sige, sige.
Kasi
Ayan.
ano,
Oo.
notice ko lang na sinabi mo na even though it's a reflection, you're still keep overthinking, pero
Yeah,
you're on a
nandiyan na.
progress, which is really good.
Mm.
Kasi iyon nga yung pinaka first step, which is
Yes.
like taking your first step on a parang magpatuloy sa isang progress. Kasi kung
Yeah.
mag-stay ka lang doon, magiging stagnant ka lang sa isang place, hindi ka mag-grow as a person. If you're
Exactly.
going to like parang take a baby step, like bit by
Yes.
bit ba, is like you're still making a progress, so upload yourself.
Yes.
So, yun, do not like underestimate yourself
Yourself.
if
Yes.
like parang napapansin mo na I'm not like making progress, ganyan, like big progress and like unlike sa other people, ganyan. Do not compare yourself to others since it's parang iyon yung sisira talaga sa sarili mo.
Yeah, it
Like
takes
yung,
time.
it takes time talaga. Slowly but surely nga, sabi
Yeah.
nila. So, yun, may dadagdag ka ba?
Yes, I
Yes.
have
go.
a great quotation, guys. Change isn't really the focus kamo, the sense of like parang the appreciation. You shouldn't
Yes.
appreciate your change. Yes, you can, but like what you should really appreciate the most is your progress. Kasi
Yes.
change is already like a given na parang nangyari na. But like when it comes to progress, it happens as you go.
Yes.
You literally while doing so.
Yes.
Kasi mas parang mas may parang mabibigyan mo pa ng attention, appreciation na oh, your progress did a lot more than the
Yes,
change. So
tama.
you really have to remind yourself that you don't have to focus on the change. Like to congratulate your change. You should
Yes.
really congratulate yourself on the progress that
Tama.
you
Yeah,
made.
it's the effort, Meron yung
Yes.
pa nga mga
Yeah.
pinagtatalunan ano bang mas importante? Yung effort mo in progress o yung yung resulta,
Oo.
di ba?
Oo.
But like on the way kasi, kung ano yung ginagawa mo sa progress na yun, at kung
Yeah.
ang parang maganda ba ang direction noon, in the end, magkakaroon ka ng resulta.
Tama.
Additional na lang yun So, by that, I agree with you guys na yun, in the progress, we have to,
Huwag kang
be
iyak.
mindful.
What do
you mean,
Because
guys?
it's really interesting then na for me na this last episode no of filming the weekends. Totoo lang like a biggest confession hindi talaga ako nagyayap about experiences.
Yes.
Kasi yes na madaldal si Hia but like the thing is hindi niya na napag-uusapan yung sarili niya. Like gusto ko lang talaga mapag-talk about na ganito this specific na na mga reports, mga topics,
Yes.
niche topics. Pero you will never hear me talking about myself.
Yeah.
It was I had to like open up because this is something na can be relatable to a lot of our
Yes.
audiences and to you guys.
Hug.
And somehow this is I really like appreciate my progress kasi
Yes.
oh wow, different people because I really stick to only one person to opening up and then somehow nainisip ko din nagkakaroon ako ng anxiety ganyan na parang maybe they're parang naririnig din na sila na lagi ko sinasabi about myself and then like this somehow with newer people it's a really fresh talaga and somehow with people like me out there I hope you guys na don't really settle to only one person. You should
Yes.
really find great people talaga. Not
Yes,
sinasabi ko na iwanan mo to like
Hindi naman
na
ganun.
na it's okay not to stick to one.
Yes.
Always try to find more people
Yes.
till you get the right
Yeah.
people.
If it's not you, is the, wait lang.
Kaya mo yan,
Okay, Tagalogin ko na. Kung hindi ikaw yung tipong social na tagahanap ng tao, then at least allow other people to
Suggestion ka.
let in your life. Na
Okay.
Yeah.
you can be open, then allow them to enter your
Okay.
life.
Yes.
No? Malay mo, may dumating na bago, tapos, hindi mo in-expect na, oh my God, masarap pala silang kasama. Ayan. Diba?
Yeah. It's really nice then that new people can really give you a lot of
Yes.
lessons. And
Yes.
yeah, it's interesting din na ganito patapos na yung isang podcast na natin. How do you guys feel na ilang ilang ano na lang, ilang words na lang matatapos na 'to.
It's the end.
Yeah.
It's sad, but in a happy way. It's
From bittersweet.
yeah,
Bittersweet.
bittersweet. It's a bittersweet no, moments. Kasi even though like 2 episode lang ako nandito,
It's okay.
No,
like
it's
yung
okay.
lesson na matututunan mo, yung self-realization sa buhay
Yes.
mo, like doon mo makikita kung sino ka ba talaga, kung
Yeah.
gaano ba yung mga improvements na makukuha mo. So, yung tipong,
Oh.
uy, nag-iba
Okay lang
yung
yan.
ano,
Okay lang.
ay,
Sige, continue mo lang
Sorry,
yan.
actually,
ayun, like, nakakaiyak to the point na,
ano ba yun?
hindi, nakakaiyak to the point na, like, umiyak. Nakakaiyak
Charot lang,
kasi
sige.
like, makikita mo yung sarili mo. Unlike, kasi in this society, wag kang tumawa.
Hindi, okay lang
Yung
yan.
in this society kasi is like, parang nakikigaya tayo sa
Mm.
ibang tao.
Yes.
Yung napapansin ko sa mga kabataan ngayon na kung ano yung trend, kung ano yung mas sikat is go with the flow tayo, which is parang nawawala yung self-identity natin.
Yung individuality.
Yes.
Yes.
So yun,
Oh,
parang
it's okay. Yun nga, ano dun like, it's interesting na ito, audience, na somehow here with the weekends, no, it's really nice na we navigate through different topics and a lot of different agendas and mga personal na mga problems then both inside and outside of our life, no? Because here in the weekends, no, every end deserves a great new start. And I hope you guys naman will understand, no, about this new lesson and our last episode, no, guys. So, thank you guys for watching. So, once again, and for the final time, my name is Hia.
I'm Jelaine.
I'm Riri.
And we are The Weekends. See you guys.
Bye.
See
Don't
you
forget
guys.
yourself.
Don't forget yourself, guys. Always love yourself before
Yes.
loving others.
Yeah. This may be the
Yes.
end, but there's every day is
A
a
new
new
day.
day.
Yes.
Everything is like go. Basta go.
Yeah.
Basta mag-go with the flow ka lang.
Mm.
Yes.
This is our
Yes.
sleepover. It's night. We rest,
Yeah.
then go on with a new journey
Yes.
tomorrow.
Mag-self-care kayo Bye-bye.
It's interesting
Ay.
then na finally, the week ends.
The weekend.
Oh my god, finally
It ends.
So finally, the week ends.
Should we
Thank
rest?
you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.